I want to relive every single moment with you from the first time I saw you to this very moment. My love for you has only grown stronger. You are the one that I want to spend the rest of my life with. You are the light at the end of the tunnel. You are the peak of the mountain I have been climbing for decades. I want to spend every waking minute with you. I want to be by your side forever. From now until the end of time, I will always be your loyal and dedicated protector. I love you with all my heart and soul. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. My nights are never complete without thinking about you. I love everything about you, starting from your beautiful eyes down to your adorable little feet. I love your voice, your face, your hair, your eyes, and every single part of you. My love for you grows deeper each passing day. I long for your presence. We are apart, thinking about you before I sleep. Sweet dreams. You are my one and only true love. No one could ever replace you or come even close to comparing to you. Our love is a story like no other. Someday I will write a symphony about our love, and it will be the greatest ever written. Until then, I will love you every day for the rest of my life. I love all the sweet and cuddly things you do for me. You are always there to listen as I pour my heart out. You are the one girl that is catch my attention. I love you more than anything in this world. I think about you before I sleep. I imagine your face and the beautiful smile that I love so much. You are the only one that makes me feel this way. I love you, darling. I thought I knew what true love was until I met you. You have a special place in my heart that no one else will ever have. You make my world a happier place just by being in it. I love you more than anything, sweetheart. You are the center of my universe, the air that I breathe, the beat of my heart. You are everything to me. I love you more than anything. Baby, my only love. I feel so complete when you are in my arms. You have made me happier than I ever thought possible. My nights are lonely without you by my side. Can't wait to see you again. My everything when we are together. The days seem to fly by, and when we are apart, each second feels like an eternity. I can't wait for the day when we are together all the time. Until that day, I will do say good night to you each night, my one and only love. I went to run my fingers through your hair as I fell asleep. I went to feel your body against mine. I want you here right now, whether I am here or less where, as long as we are together, then wherever I am is home. When I am with you, then the world is my playground. I love you so much. Baby, I may not be able to be with you tonight, but now that no one in this world will ever love you as much as I do, I love you so much. Honey, thanks for watching video.